around Asia in Kuala Lumpur, and I am with the venerable Chef Joe, who's the Master Chef Malaysia judge, and he is at his new restaurant called Symphony by Chef Joe over in DC Mall in Damansara. So make sure you look it up next time you're here in Kuala Lumpur. Chef, what are we making first?
Okay, today we have something special. This is my specialty.
Right.
Because my restaurant is an eclectic restaurant. So I'm serving today is a spicy seafood pasta chocolate sauce.
Spicy seafood pasta chocolate sauce. There you go. Excited to learn. Alright guys, and yeah, let's see how it's done. Well, there you go. How about this? The spicy seafood pasta with chocolate sauce. Yeah, chef, can you tell us what are the most popular types of pasta that people eat with this?
This one you can use any kind of pasta that you like.
Right.
You can use pappardelle, or you can use rigatoni, or this. In
Right.
this case, I'm using spaghetti. Or even you can use the Asian noodle like vermicelli or yellow noodle.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
There you go. So keep an eye out for it at Symphony by Chef Joe over at DC Mall in Damansara. I'll catch you guys.